Welcome back, this is Panda-Frog. Today we're doing Mad Aussie Challenge week 5 and we have to do a key impressioning. I got this ADTI because that's the one I got this little blanks for. And got some files here, sandpaper, caliper, and the original keys are wrapped up so I can't cheat. And we're gonna use this file and try to impression this key to open the lock. What I already did is I marked the positions. You can find that out online. And I will speed up the process because it will probably take a while. So basically we go, just to start you off for the first part, we go in, and preferably with a grip. Then we turn it to one side, jiggle it, turn to the other side, jiggle it a little, and then we should have marks where we can take a magnifying glass and we look where the spots are, and then we file them down a little, try it again, jiggle, try it again, jiggle, try it again, jiggle, until the lock opens. But I will not talk during that part, I will speed it up and play some music. Alright, so I had to do 3 keys. The third one I did without camera because I needed to concentrate. So the first one I did, I screwed up. Someone got stuck and I don't know, I just redid it. Then the second one, this is the one I really got stuck. And I found out that you have to file off the burr. The new word I learned today, and then you can get it in and out, and this one didn't work, so I redid it. And this is the final key, self-cut, and it does work like a charm. Goes in nice and smoothly, pops it open, pretty nice. So as you can see, I really took off the edges, the burr, and yeah, it does work. Not a beauty, but it does work. Let's get in this damn key. Alright, so let's see what we got here. Yeah, it is similar. So what I found out about the ABUS keys, they should still work. I hope. Yeah, they do. Where's my other? I had another blank, but I don't know where this is. So you got 300. That's the thickness of the key. It's 325, and then you go increments of 0.025. So the zero cut is 0.325, and the one cut is 0.300, and then you go like to 75, to 50, to 25, 200, and 175. The deepest one I got is 175. About 175. The spacing between, sorry, I got a phone. Alright, sorry. So, long story short, spacing between it, the little grooves are about 0.45, so between the pins. And the first pin start at a 0.160 from the shoulder. Alright, that's it for me. It was my first impressioning, and well, it does work. It is not a beauty, but it does work. If you do this, remember to take off the excess materials. Alright, thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.